Hi guys, so welcome back to another unboxing video. So as you can see, I have two BTS live on stage, the Japan edition. So basically I have no idea what's the difference. I think there's one that has more discs than the other, which means it has slightly more content. So I'm here to find out myself what's the difference. Okay, so we just start with this one first, because I don't know, it looks and feels lighter. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's just get this out first. So this is the front, and then the back we have the track list.
How many discs is there? I think there's only one disc or two. It's an exclusive photo gallery, so probably just two discs. It's a bonus movie. I have no idea what that means. I think it's a video.
And then behind the scene interview. Oh my god, there's so much for me to watch. Oh crap. I thought it opened up like this, but it's like shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, the disc is so pretty. God damn it. We have the CD. Oh my god, I really like it. Oh, look, oh, there's 7 of them. I like how Big Hit does the CD, design the CD for the concert. It's like all 7 of them are always on the disc itself. And we have the code again. Not important. It's not to me. Oh my god, Jin. Gosh. Wait, so is this something like a poster? Oh, okay, so yeah, I think this is a poster. This. And we have the checklist. Oh my god, this is so cute, it's so mini. It's really small. Just let me move this thing away. So it's gosh. So it's really 2 of A4 size? I don't know. Oh my god, there's some more at the back. Oh my god, my J-Hope is so adorable. Oh my god, I could kiss him. And we have this. Just let me get back my chair. Oops. So I'll just show you the bottom one. Just get the camera to focus again. Oh my god, J-Hope. He's so cute. Oh, I thought Jimin was holding onto his head. Oh, sorry. I just scratched the cap. Sugar's head. Jimin. Oh my god, Jungkook looks so hot here. And yep, that's all for today's unboxing. I hope all of you... Oh my god, sorry, I totally forgot. This is not all. What am I saying? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so used to having like doing unboxing videos that's like there's only one item in each video. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, let's move on with the other edition. I'm so sorry, guys. So I'm so sorry. So this is the front. And the back. Oh my god, I like this. So we have... Oh, so this has 2 discs.
Yep. Oh, so one is D1 and one is D2. Not sure. Let me check the other disc first. It's the same though. There's an encore stitch on this for this one. This doesn't. Look, I'm really confused, guys. Well, I guess so. So what I see here. So, let me just compare. There's 25 tracks. No, I really don't know what's the difference. Probably get the same, but just... Well, are they different dates? Yeah, I just move on with the unboxing. I'm really confused. I can't think.
So we have the information of the disc. Oh my god, the disc. I really love the CDs. Gosh. Oh my god, do you see all the 7 of them? Oh my god. So this is the disc. Oh my god, I gotta put the CD here first. I'm gonna show you. Just this. Oh my god, we have 2 discs. Yes. Oh my freaking god. We have this thing. We're gonna put this aside. We're gonna check this out later. Just go. Yay. Oh, okay. So that's disc 2, and this is disc 1. Okay. Just put this here. Oh my god, guys. Look at the 7 of them. This is Jungkook, Suga, Rapmon. Wait. No, sorry. This is Jin. Jin, Suga, Rapmon, Jungkook. V, my husband. If you know who that is. Jaeho. And Jimin. How can I claim him as my husband? Oh my god. Okay, let's just put the disc back. Just put this one side. And let's just move on with this. I think this is like another poster. Oh, yep, I guess I'm right. So like the other one, they have the track list on the top left hand, or is it right? My left. If I flip it this way around, it would be my right. Okay, either one. Anyways. Yay! Oh my god, this is Danger. I'm very sure this is the dance for Danger. Okay, let's just put this because Jin, Sugar, J. Oh my god, Jaehook, he's hot. Look at his face expression. Oh my god, he's so cute. Then we have Rapmon here. Oh my god, Jaehook. He'll be the death of me one day, but it's for a good cause. And then this is other photos. Oh my god, look at Jaehook. Oh my god, look at the way he holds the mic. Look at the way he holds the mic. Ah! Damn, guys. I'm so sorry. Look at him holding the mic. Ah! And there are 7 of them. I can't hold in my finger, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Jaehook, look at him. And guys, this is really the end of the unboxing video. I hope all of you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!